It's the like monster, and that motherfucker's hungry. Smash a thumbs up.
Alright, got a new omelette frittata pan. Frittata pan. And we're going to use it to cook an omelet. So, things you'll need, easy. Take about 5 minutes total. The pan, obviously. Oil or butter. In this case, I'm just using spray oil. Eggs, 3 in this case. A little bit of salt, some cheese, whatever else you want to put into it. Alright. Alright, we're going to use the new frittata pan, or omelet pan, or whatever the hell this thing's called. Make some eggs. Alright, first, preheat the pan. Always make sure that son of a bitch is preheated well. Next, while that's preheating, I'll go probably 3 eggs in this. It's easy. All you get, crack them, whip them. And get any other additives you want ready. In this case, I'm just doing cheese, but you know, bacon or sausage, whatever the hell you want to put in. Alright. Now. Alright. Time to go. Pour this in. We're not going to put the cheese in until last. We are, however, going to put some salt in and cover it. Alright. Cover this. I would turn the heat down to about medium. You're looking at like, I don't know, 3 minutes or so. See, the cool thing about this pan is I'm going to be able to just flip it over. So there won't be any goofy omelet flipping. Bottom's already getting done. I just want to feel alive. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Flip. Look at that. Bang. Give it 4 minutes. Now, well, this is cooking the rest of the way on that side. Well, a good time to add my cheese. Put the cheese inside, but you run a risk of it, you know, burning. So I'll just melt the cheese on top, makes it easier. Any other toppings, however, I would suggest putting in immediate. And we're almost there. I've been running on the freeway. I just want to feel alive, boy. Shaky, shaky. Shake that liquid down. Give it like 30 more seconds. Wipe up the spill so I don't get yelled at. Time to come out. Perfect. Very little mess too. Anything that's in there comes right out.